Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today in this video we're going to see how to crochet this cute and simple purple diamond crochet earrings, which is a very easy pattern. The written pattern of this cute little earrings is available in my website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the yarn bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. For this project I'll be using this purple color anchor pearl cotton crochet thread and scissors and 1.25 millimeter crochet hook. So starting round 1 we would do a magic ring and then we'll work chain 2 and then we'll work double crochet 4 together. That is yarn over, insert your hook into the loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. We'll be doing that 4 times. Yarn over, insert your hook to the loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So we have to work that 4 times and then we'll work yarn over, pull through all the loops. So that is your chain 2 double crochet 4 together, and then after that I will work double crochet 5 together. That is yarn over, insert your hook through the loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. We'll work that 5 times and then finally we will yarn over, pull through all the loops in our hook. So that will be your double crochet 5 together. So once you have done your double crochet 5 together, we will again work a chain 4. So we will need to work this 2 more times. And then at the end of this round we will have 4 sets of double crochet 5 together. The starting chain 2 double crochet 4 together is also considered as our double crochet 5 together. So at the end of this round 1 we will have 4 sets of double crochet 5 together separated by chain 4 spaces. So we are going to work double crochet 5 together, chain 4 2 more times, and once that is done we are going to work a slip stitch on top of our starting chain 2 double crochet 4 together, which is considered as our double crochet 5 together. So at the end of round 1 we will have 4 sets of double crochet 5 together with in between chain 4 spaces. Now I have worked my last chain 4 and then I'm going to work a slip stitch on top of my starting chain 2 double crochet 4 together. So with this our round 1 is complete. You can tighten the magic ring and secure it with a knot, and then you can proceed with round 2. So for round 2 I am going to work a chain 1 which does not count as a stitch, and then I will work 1 single crochet on top of the double crochet 5 together of the previous round, and then I am going to work 1 half double crochet, 5 double crochet and 1 double crochet, everything on the chain 4 space of the previous round. So we are going to work 1 single crochet on the double crochet 5 together of the previous round, and then 1 half double crochet, 5 double crochet and 1 half double crochet on the chain 4 space of the previous round, and we are going to work like this around, and then once that is done we will work a slip stitch on top of your starting single crochet. So at the end of this round we will have 4 single crochets that are worked on the double crochet 5 together of the previous rows, and then 1 half double crochet, 5 double crochets and 1 half double crochet that are worked on the chain 4 space of the previous round. So once this round is done we will work a slip stitch on top of our starting single crochet to close the round 2. So continue working like this around. I'll meet you at the end of this round. So I missed tightening the magic ring and securing it with a knot at the end of round 1. So I am doing it now in between, because I found it getting I found the stitches getting loose. So I just tighten the magic ring and secure it with the knots, and then I'll proceed with my round 2. So I'm working a single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 5 double crochet and 1 half double crochet on the chain 4 space of the previous round, and once that is done I will work a slip stitch on top of my starting single crochet to close this round 2. So for round 3 I will work a chain 3, which is considered as my first double crochet, and then I will work 3 double crochets, 3 more double crochets on the same stitch, which will be the single crochet of the previous round. So on the single crochet of the previous round I work a chain 3, which is considered as my first double crochet, and then 3 more double crochets, and then in the third double crochet of the previous round, that is, we have worked 1 half double crochet, 5 double crochets and 1 half double crochet in the chain 4 space of the round 1, right? In that, in the third double crochet or in the fourth stitch, I am going to work 1 single crochet. Then once again on the next single crochet I will work 4 double crochets, chain 3, 4 double crochet, and then once again in the third double crochet or on the fourth stitch of the previous round I am going to work 1 single crochet. So in every single crochet of the previous round we are going to work 4 double crochet, chain 3, 4 double crochet, and in every third double crochet or in the fourth stitch of the previous round that is worked on the chain 4 space, I am going to work 1 single crochet. So we are going to continue working like this around, and once this is done I am going to work 4 more double crochets on the starting stitch where we have worked chain 3, 3 double crochets. So I will work 4 more double crochets on that stitch, and then I will work a chain 3 and then work a slip stitch on top of my starting chain 3 to close this round 3, and then I will fasten off and weave my ends. So continue working like this around. I'll meet you at the end of this round. So now I have worked my single crochet on the third double crochet of the previous round, and in the starting single crochet I am going to work 4 double crochets followed by a chain 3, and then I will work a slip stitch on top of my starting chain 3 to close this round, and then I will fasten off and weave my ends, and then cut off my extra crochet thread that I may have. So you can see that this work is now not stiff and it's wobbly. We are going to stiffen this up with 1 part glue and 1 part water, and air dry it for 24 hours. So I have a earring tutorial where I have visually showed how we are going to block. So I'll attach that video in the description box. You can see that if you have any doubt with the blocking instruction. Now my work is air dried and it's stiffened up after blocking, and it's time to add in our earring hooks or fish hooks to any of these corners where we have worked at chain 3. So go ahead, add in your hooks to any of those corners, and we should have our earrings ready. So now we have attached our earring hooks to our earrings. We will need to do the same for the other earring as well. So our cute diamond, the purple diamond earring is now ready. I hope you enjoyed making this cute little earrings. I would like you to try this fun pattern at home and let me know your comments. You can find the written pattern of this beautiful earring in my website, theyarnbowlcrochet.com. You can find other fun free patterns as well in my website. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.